Today in this video we will talk about chapter 6, that is structure and function. In this video we will talk about functionalism, social structure, and we will talk about sociologists like Malinowski and Radcliffe Brown. The questions asked are as follows. Define functionalism. Critically analyze relationship between positivism and functionalism. Contrast them as two theoretical approach. Functionalism as a study of social structure according to Brown. Malinowski theory of functionalism. And there is another theory of culture asked by Malinowski. There is no such theoretical explanation given in our book, but you can refer page number 86, where in the references a scientific theory of culture, another essay, Chapel Hill, University of North Carolina Press, 1944, statement is written. In the further reading after references, we will talk about it, and I will make a separate video on this topic alone. And in next video we will talk about unit 7, and we will talk about critique of functionalism, its limitation, functional requisite, similarity and differences between structural and neo-functionalism, the thesis of neo-functionalism. So let's continue our video. Functionalism is a theory of society that focuses on the structure that creates the society and on the society is able to remain stable. According to functionalism, society is a whole of interconnected parts where each part contributes to the maintenance of the whole. Functional analysis involves the prior conceptualization of the system. Positivism is an approach to social research which aims to be as close to the natural science as possible. It advocates quantitative method. Comparative positivism effectively links sociology with the prestige of biological science. Comte had talked about three laws. The three laws are theological, metaphysical, and positives. I'll give the reference from chapter 1, where theological stage states that supernatural powers and religion icons are more important factors. Even in the world is believed to be product of God. Whereas in metaphysical stage, nature was held to explain everything about man and society. Positivistic stage came next and was fundamentally influenced by science and laws that is discovered. There was no God or nature in this stage. It can be said that according to him, positivistic stage dominates only when the traces of theological and metaphysical stages have been finally reduced, if not completely eliminated from the society. Herbert Spencer used organism analogy to create an explicit form of functional analysis. Spencer did not see society as an actual organism, rather he conceptualized superorganic system, organization of organism, as revealing certain similarities. For example, organ is related to body, that is similarly proposition to social institution as society. For example, as organ is important or as organ constitute the body, similarly social institution constitute the society and it forms society. Durkheim was a positivistic with a difference. He did not follow hardcore thumb rule of positivism, which says that sociological study should be confined to observable or directly measurable phenomena. Ultimate goal of positivism, that is law of human behavior. Similarity and difference. Social fact. Durkheim opposed Comte's view of social fact that consist only things that are directly observed, measured. To Durkheim, social fact include phenomena that exist in human mind and thus not directly observable or measurable. Function of social fact is moral. Function of social fact is moral. Social fact can be of two types, that is normal and pathological. Normal fact are general thing in society. It perform function of integrating society. Pathological are not general. They are towards the process of integration. Statistical data. This is the second point. Positivism concerned itself to use of statistical data. Durkheim collected data in social facts such as suicide rate and membership of different religion. Third factor is correlation. Positivist methodology entails looking for correlation between social fact. Durkheim found correlation between particular religion and high suicide rate. It is a theory of Durkheim in which we have talked about how suicide rate according to religion, according to caste, or according to gender is given by Durkheim. Now the fourth factor is causation. Positivistic justify that relation between two or more phenomena where one cause other to take place or happens. Durkheim used causation paradigm crime theory. The thesis of functionalism lies in the philosophy of positivism. According to Durkheim, function is the contribution a part makes to the whole for its maintenance and well-being. Thus, function is a positive contribution. Durkheim rejected Darwin's idea of survival of fittest. For him, with increase in population and division of labor, society will have a specialization of job. Darwin's idea of survival of fittest is a theory that we have talked about in previous videos. It is from block 1, where Darwin says that those who are fit will survive and those who are not fit will ultimately be dead or be removed from the society as a law of nature. Durkheim rejected division of labor. He said that it is sociological. It contributes to social solidarity. Modern industry is independent and integrated because of specialization of job. Thus, all functionalists share following 5 propositions. First, society is a system like other, example solar system. They all are interconnected, interrelated and interdependent. Society consists part like institution, group, etc., which are interconnected, interrelated and interdependent. Each part performs its own function and function in relation to other part. Both change in one part or change or influence functioning of other part as they are connected. Fifth, entire society cannot be explained with its part. Society has its own identity, own consciousness or collective consciousness. Functionalism was mainly led by Malinowski and A. R. Radcliffe Brown. Malinowski theory is functionalism. It starts with individual. It's a psychological functionalism. In Malinowski, key concept is individual and culture is the important aspect, whereas in Radcliffe Brown theory, it is a structural functionalist theory. It begins with society and functionalist and its necessary condition of existence. Sociological functionalism and its key concept in Radcliffe Brown theory is society, and here in Brown theory, culture is secondary aspect. Now, structural functional approach of Radcliffe Brown, we will discuss this theory in brief. He focused on social structure rather than biological need. He considered society as a system. He looked at institutions as orderly sets of relationship whose function is to maintain the society of as a system. He is inspired by Auguste Comte. He was a functionalist. He defined each society as a functionally interrelated system in which general laws or function operate. He accepts Durkheim's formulation of concept of function but thinks that the world need for the condition will direct towards the postulate of universal human societal need, so be substitute with term necessary condition existence. He recognizes the diversity of conditions necessary for the survival of different items system. For Durkheim, central concept is of solidarity. For Radcliffe Brown, it is a structural continuity. Assumptions of his approach. These are the assumptions of functional approach of Radcliffe Brown. A necessary condition for survival of society is a minimal integration of its part. The concept of function refers to those processes that maintain the necessary integration or solidarity. In each society, a structural feature can be shown to contribute to maintenance of necessary solidarity. Brown took look at organism and society difference. So, organism dies and can be studied separately from its function, whereas society continues to function, can change and transform, can be studied separately from its function. And that's why Radcliffe Brown called his approach structural functional rather than functional, as many, and functionalism as Malinowski. Now we will see about functionalism of Malinowski. Malinowski suggests that individuals have psychological need, food, shelter, reproduction, and these are fulfilled by the social institution. He talked about four basic instrumental needs, that is economic, social control, education, political organization, that require institutional device to get fulfilled. He claims the creation of separate school, the functional school. For him, aim of functional analysis is to arrive at explanation of anthropological facts at all level of development by their function, by the part they play with the integral system of culture. He assumes that in every civilization, every custom, material object, ideas and belief fulfill some vital function. They have some task to accomplish, represent an indispensable fact within a working whole. Malinowski starts with individual who has a set of basic or biological need that must be satisfied for its survival, and thus he individual a term psychological functionalism. His approach distinguishes between three levels, that is biological, social structure and symbolic. Each level has a set of needs that must be satisfied for the survival of individual. It have hierarchy. As you can see here, that biological is at the bottom, followed next by social structure, and finally symbolic system. Way of fulfilling need at one level will affect the subsequent level. Culture is the kernel of Malinowski approach. Culture is instrument that satisfy all the biological need of human being. Culture is a need-serving, need-fulfilling system. Thus, Malinowski functionalism is also known as bioculture functionalism. Here, the basic need is biological system. Malinowski approach is a theory of vital sequence which has a biological foundation and is incorporated into all societies. There are 11 impulses on associated psychological act and a satisfaction which results from that act. This 11-fold table paradigm with a use of 7 biological needs and their respective culture response is given. You can refer table 6.1 for this. You can go to page number 79 for table 6.1 and page number 80 for table 6.2. Here you will see a table. Here we can see that Malinowski four-fold sequence, he is called as instrumental imperative and associate each of them to the cultural response. From four-fold sequence, he shifts to a symbolic system of religion, magic, belief and values. He examines its role in culture. If possible, you can write this table in your exam. Now the first need of any human is food, or we can symbol it as from metabolism. Cultural mechanisms are centered on the process of food getting. The term used here is commissariat, means to convey that transport food. Now the second need is reproduction. Cultural response to kinship, biological continuity of society is related with it. Similarly, you can define all this. Now we will see Malinowski theory of culture. He analyzed practice of religion, magic and science. He studied primitive society as socio-cultural whole and explained each aspect of culture in it. Functionalism views society as a system that is a set of interconnected parts which together form a whole. Every element of system has a function which contributes positively to continued operation of that system. Malinowski treated culture as almost everything that concerned human life and action. According to him, culture was that form of behavior which individuals learned and held in common and passed on to other individuals. Malinowski's concept of culture include material culture, consumer good, physical object instrumental in satisfying human need. Now the second is non-material. We can divide it into two parts, that is concrete categories of human activity and constitutional character of social group and belief that includes cultural object. He wrote culture comprise inherited artifact, good technical process, ideas, habits and values. Please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.